Bini's family present sobrang nagpasaya sa Bini members sa Grand Biniverse Day 1. Maantig ka talaga sa mga tagpong ito ng Bini. Their family's presence made a big difference. Gumagaan at napapasaya ang puso ng Bini members seeing their family support and cheering in the audience. This was reposted by Bini Joanna with the caption, "Most beautiful edit I have watched today." The proud dad jumping and cheering as she spotted Bini Joanna, so proud of her daughter performing on stage and living her dreams. Surely it brought big smiles on Bini Joanna's face when she see her dad. When Bini Maloy and Bini Joanna itinaas ng mga dancers during their performance on stage, matatanaw ang reaksyon ng family ni Bini Maloy na sobrang proud sa kanya. Malakas na cheer, palakpak, at itinaas pa ng daddy niya ang Bini 1, so proud for Bini Maloy. While Bini Sheena enjoying the smoke machine, matatanaw ang kanyang kuya at ama na nasa gilid, cheering at kumakaway sa kanya. Sobrang happy at proud na makita siya na mag-perform on stage for the first time na masaya at nag-enjoy lang. Watch Bini Colette's reaction when she spotted her family in the audience, big smiles on her face while waving on them. The Vergara family so proud cheering for Bini Colette and so happy to be able to witness this big event for Bini Colette's journey. So happy na makita ang Bini members with their family, and thanks sa mga blooms for capturing this beautiful moment.